Uh, let's start with dividing tens, hundreds, and thousands in page 157. Yesterday we didn't finish two exercises, so today we're going to finish this, and then we're going to work in the notebook. So let's finish this. Exercise number 22 and number 3, they were missing. So today we're going to finish with this. Now, we have exercise number 2, and it says, Mr. Roberts sees a rare 1,937 penny. The cost of the penny is $210. If he saves $3 each week, will Mr. Roberts have enough money to buy the penny 1 year? And explain. So here we have important information that we can underline, so it's easier for us to know what is the process that we're going to do. So first, what we know is that we have 210 pennies. That is the cost of the penny, 210. So you can underline using different color. And then it says, if he saves $3 each week, so $3 is something important also, because it's saying the amount of dollars of money that he's going to be saving each week. Will Mr. Roberts have enough money to buy the penny in 1 year? So we're going to identify if it's going to be possible. So let's divide that $200 divided by 3 to get the answer. Who knows the answer of this division?
It's 7. 7 times 3 is 21.
Okay, it's 7. And then what we need to do? We copy the 0. Don't forget the 0. 7 times 3 is 21, but we need to copy 1 0. So it's 70. 70. That 70 means that we have 70 weeks. So Mr. Roberts is going to need 70 weeks. 70 weeks to buy the penny. To buy the penny. That is the amount. This is the answer, 70 weeks to buy the penny. But it says, here we have to explain something else. It says, will Mr. Roberts have enough money to buy the penny in 1 year? It's asking us in 1 year. So let me tell you that 1 year only have 52 weeks. So it's going to be possible. So we're going to write this information because it's asking you in the question.
Just 52?
52, yes, there are only 52 weeks in a year.
What?
1 year. Yes, just 52. And Mr. Roberts needs 70 weeks. So it's not going to be possible, right? Because in 1 year, it's just 52. And this boy needs 70 weeks. So it's going to need 1 year and more weeks. So it's going to need all the 2022 and part of the 2023 to get this amount.
Y si yo saco esa cuenta cuando con moneda, yo ¿lo hago o no lo hago? Do it or not do it? And me, not do it.
Okay, so that is the answer, class. There are only 52 weeks in 1 year, and Mr. Roberts needs 70 weeks. So it's impossible. It's not possible that he's going to save all this amount of money in 1 year. He can save this in 70 weeks, but the question is here: will Mr. Roberts have enough money to buy the penny in 1 year? So that's why we need to write this information. That it's not possible because there are only 52 weeks in 1 year. Yes?
Yeah.
Now,
yes.
What about the second part that we have? It says, Miss Fleischer bought 5 coins of 32 each dollars. Later, she sold all the coins for $300. How much more did Miss Fleischer receive for each coin that she paid? Explain. Okay, so again, we're going to underline the important information. It says she sold all the coins for $30. We have the $30. And now it says Miss Fleischer bought 5 coins for 32 each of them. So we need to use this information, but we're going to need it in a different way. So how we're going to do first? This information is important. Let's underline. first, in order for us to know how much more this Miss Fleischer received for each, first we need to know the answer of the division. The $300, that is the amount that she sold all the coins, divided by 5. We're going to divide it by 5. 6, that is the answer, just 6.
16 with 1 0.
60, that's right. So it's $60. So it means, I'm going to write the dollar sign. Let's see, this one, yes. $60, so $60, she sold each coin for $60. Because it says, here, both 5 coins for 32 each. Now, but she was selling each coin for $60. But the question or of answer is not here. That is not the answer. This is just part of the answer because it says, how much more did Miss Fleischer receive for each coin that she paid? So, we're going to write this. She sold each coin. She sold each coin for $60. That is the first part, $60. Now, the answer for the question is going to be here. We need to use this $32. So we're going to know how much she receives. So we're going to subtract. That is the way that we're going to get the answer. We're going to subtract, and the difference is going to be the total. So it's going to be the $60. Let's see, yes, this one $60 minus the $32 that she was the price that she was paying for these 5 coins. So it's going to be 32. What is the answer of this subtraction?
38.
It's which one?
38.
38. Are you sure, Rosa? You're close, but it's not 38.
37.
37 is the difference here. Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's 34.
34. Is that the answer of this subtraction of 60 minus 32?
32. 38. 38.
38?
No.
Yes, miss.
No.
38.
No, it's not 38.
No, God.
38. You're saying 38, right? 38. Here.
Yes.
Nope, that's not the answer.
Nope.
Who knows?
Wait.
Ah. It's 28.
28. That's right. 28. That's right. Why 28, class? If you add the 32 plus 28, what is the answer of this addition? You add 8 plus 2. 60. That's right. So it cannot be 38. If you add 38, it's going to be another number. It's going to be 70. So that's why it's 28. So it means the difference is 28, the difference of this. So she receives for each coin that she paid $28. That was like we say the answer. So the 28, the difference. Yes, questions about this class?
No.
No?
And I finished.
Finish. Okay, if you finish now, be ready with your notebook. Be ready with your notebook. I'm going to take the attendance. So while you're finishing to copy this in your book. Ana, Andrea, and Camila.
Present.
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 Perfect. Gabriela, Isabela, and Kiara.
Present.
Present.
Okay, Lucia, Mia, and Rebecca.
Present.
Mia Valentina.
Yes, yes.
No, it's not here.
Yes. Yes, it's here.
Yes, she's not listening. Okay, Rebecca, excuse. Rosa, Valerie, and Cian.
Present. Present.
Okay,
Present.
perfect.
Present.
Let's see, boys. Alberto, Dani, and Fernando.
Present.
Present.
Perfect. Hermes, Joshua, and Colette.
Present.
Okay. Marcel. Okay. Santiago Hernandez and Santiago Chavez.
Present.
Miss Marcelo is not here, but he's put it the vaccination. His vaccination.
Okay, yes. Marcelo has excuse. Santiago Hernandez finished? No, it's not here. Okay. Did you finish class? All of you finished?
I
Yes?
couldn't.
Okay, let's go
Yes,
to next
yes,
slide. Let's go
yes.
to next slide now. Let me clear all these drawings here. This is the title. Let's copy this.
No.
Divide tens, hundreds, and thousands.
Wow.
That is the title.
Wow.
We're going to solve some divisions in the notebook. So let's copy this. Remember that part of your homework is to study the tables. You need to know the tables. You review the tables all the time, every single day. So you need it for divisions also, not just for multiplications, also for divisions.
Are you
Finished?
finished? Hasta ya me da tiempo de hacer decoration.
Ten seconds, class. 10 seconds, and then we'll go to next.
Finish. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 4. 4. 4. 3. 2. 2. 1.
Finish.
Finished? All of you finished class? Yes?
Yes. Finished. Yes.
Finish. Okay, perfect. Let's go to next slide here. Remember, we're dividing tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let's copy this. All these exercises in your notebook. Copy in the notebook these exercises. And you are going to solve them. Copy and solve them, please.
Nami, ya casi me hago.
Then we're going to check the answer. So do it by yourself. You're going to solve this in your notebook.
Means we can do it with ink.
Yes, but it's better if you use a pencil.
No, means primero lo voy a hacer with carbon, and then we pass the ink.
Well, if you made a mistake, you can erase. If you're using ink, it's not going to be possible, at least that you have liquid paper.
That is really easy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Finish the copying to solve them?
Yeah.
We calculate in the second one. In the second one.
Okay.
Look.
Tell me, Kelly.
Look. Se me olvidó. El 20 la hice.
I'll finish number 1. 150 divided by 3.
It's 15.
15 is the answer?
Mm-hmm.
It's not 15.
50.
50?
50.
50.
Mm.
50 means it's 50.
50.
50.
Yes.
50. Yes, the pronunciation. Remember, this is 50. If you say 15, you're saying this. 15 is not the same as saying 50. Okay, so why 50, class? If you multiply 5 times 3, it's 15, yes, and then you just copy 1 0. The 0 that it's here, you just copy the 0 here. Perfect. So it's 50, yes. If you have the same answer, put a check. Thank you, Hermes. What about number 2? Who finished number 2, class? 160 divided by 8.
It's 20.
20. It's
20.
20.
20, 20.
Please, I finished number 3.
Number 3. Okay, 20. 8 times 2, 16. That's right. What is the answer number 3, Valerie? 120 divided by 4.
30.
30.
30.
Okay, that's right. 4 times 3, 12, and you copied 1 0. Put a check if you have the same. Hermes, 320 divided by 8.
40.
40. Is it correct, class, or you haven't finished this one?
Yes, it's 40 means.
Yes.
40. 40, it's correct. 800 divided by 4, class.
200.
200.
200. Yes, why 200? Remember, you multiply 4 times 2 equal 8 and 2 zeros. You have to copy here the 2 zeros. Perfect. And what about the last one? 270 by 3.
90.
90?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, means
9 times 3, 27, and you copy 1 0. Perfect. Who has all correct? All these answers correct. You check by yourself.
Yes. I want to say
Correct.
I have
Perfect.
one.
So you finished this. You already finished this. I can change this line now. Or not?
Yes.
Yes?
We just have 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Yes. In 5 minutes, you can solve more of them. More. Thank you, Valerie. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Copy these other exercises. This one. Copy 6 more. In 5 minutes, you can solve this. I know that you can do it. Don't worry if you didn't finish the previous one. Copy this one. This is for you to practice. To practice divisions by tens, hundreds, and thousands.
I can do number 4.
Number 4, which one?
Number 4?
This one?
Yes.
What is the answer?
800.
800, yes, that's correct.
I have the answer of the first one.
What's the answer?
6.
6. Just 6 is the answer.
Yeah.
60.
60.
100. Just 60. Mhm. Okay, let's try the answer. Number 1, you say 60, and this one you say, what was your answer?
40. No, 400.
400.
Answer for number 3.
Okay, what is the answer number 3?
700.
700. Number 4,
800.
800.
800. Number 9, this one 5.
7.
7, just 7.
No. 17.
70.
7. And the last one?
4.
4.
No.
600.
600. 600. 2 times 6, 12, and you copy the 2 zeros. That's right. So put a check if you have the same answer of your classmates. Once you finish, show me your notebook. Once you finish, show me your notebook. Remember that in math, you don't have any homework this week, just to study, review the tables. Thank you, Fernando. Thank you, Kiara. Thank you, Gabriela. Yeah, perfect. Rosa, bye-bye. You are dismissed. You can disconnect. We're going to finish here the class. Bye-bye, Lucia. Bye-bye, Joshua. Bye-bye, Gabriela.